Hey Bitcoiners, Lockie here from Edge21, bringing you the top Bitcoin news stories of the week. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 6. A fiery debate has erupted in the Bitcoin space, with Samson and on-chain analyst Checkmate going head-to-head over a bold claim on whether Bitcoin's price is being suppressed. In a viral tweet, Samson called out a huge disconnect between Bitcoin's buy-side demand and its price, hinting at possible manipulation by big players like BlackRock and institutional whales. On the other side, Checkmate fired back, saying there's no conspiracy, just natural market movements. His on-chain data suggests Bitcoin's price action is driven by long-term holders cashing out after a massive rally. So what's the truth? Is Bitcoin's price being artificially held down, or is it just another cycle of supply and demand? With 500,000 Bitcoin leaving exchanges in just 6 months, some believe a short supply squeeze is brewing, one that could send Bitcoin's price soaring. Moving on to number 5. What if the real crisis in America isn't political but monetary? According to investor and author Larry Lepard, it all comes down to unsound money. Speaking with Robert Breedlove on the What is Money podcast, Lepard called the decision to abandon the gold standard in 1971 galactically stupid, arguing that it led to endless money printing and economic instability. He compares it to alcoholism, saying, "The good effects come first, the bad effects only come later." But there's a solution: Bitcoin. Lepard believes it could restore sound money principles and fix the root of these issues. His journey from being a gold bug to a Bitcoin advocate started after the 2008 crisis, when he saw how the government manipulated the money supply to hide inflation. Now he's convinced that if we return to sound money, a lot of things will get better. Now for number 4. Could an audit of Fort Knox send Bitcoin soaring? The internet has been buzzing after Elon Musk and Senator Rand Paul reignited calls to inspect America's gold reserves. Fort Knox supposedly holds 4,580 metric tons of gold, but it hasn't been audited since the 1950s. Musk even suggested live streaming the audit, sending Bitcoiners into a frenzy, speculating that if the vaults are empty, a Bitcoin price explosion is inevitable. But here's the catch. What if the gold is there? As TFTC points out, the US government would never let this turn into a massive embarrassment. If an audit happens, it's almost guaranteed that those vault doors will open to shimmering stacks of gold, whether real or staged. But here's where Bitcoin wins no matter what. Unlike gold, Bitcoin's supply is verified every 10 minutes by a decentralized network of nodes. No audits, no trust required, just math. And now at number 3. Is Fold the next MicroStrategy? Bitcoin rewards company Fold is making waves as it prepares to go public, and its strategy could make it a major player in the Bitcoin space. On the Bitcoin podcast, CEO Will Reeves revealed that Fold already holds over 1,000 Bitcoin in its treasury, placing it among the top 20 Bitcoin holding companies globally. But that's just the beginning. Reeves hinted at a long-term strategy similar to MicroStrategy's, leveraging traditional finance tools to accumulate even more Bitcoin. Fold isn't just stacking sats, it's changing the financial system itself. With Bitcoin-backed credit products, savings accounts, and a vision for the future of banking, Fold is setting a new standard for how financial institutions should operate. Reeves put it bluntly, the banks exist today to debase your wealth. Fold exists to grow it. Coming in at number 2. The Lightning Network is about to level up in a major way. According to Amboss CEO Jesse Schrader, Tether, or USDT, running on Lightning is a game changer. Speaking with Bitcoin Magazine, Schrader explained that while Bitcoin's price increase has expanded Lightning's payment capacity, adding USDT removes a major barrier. Now, businesses and consumers can transact on Lightning without needing to hold Bitcoin first. The world wants dollars, Schrader said, but now they can have them on trustless, high-speed Bitcoin rails. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a shift that could push Lightning toward mass adoption. With payment fees slashed by 90% compared to traditional credit card networks, and transactions settling instantly instead of taking days, businesses will have every reason to make the switch. Schrader predicts 2025 will be the year of Lightning. If he's right, Bitcoin's payment infrastructure is about to go mainstream. And finally, at number 1. GameStop might be following MicroStrategy's playbook, and if they do, Bitcoin's price could see fireworks. According to TFTC's Peruvian Bull, GameStop has $4.5 billion in cash and no clear strategy for deploying it. Some investors are pushing the board to adopt Bitcoin with a proposal for the company to put 1/3 of its cash into BTC. Ryan Cohen, GameStop's chairman, was recently spotted with Michael Saylor, sparking speculation that a Bitcoin move is imminent. The impact? GameStop is one of the most shorted stocks in the market. If they announce a Bitcoin treasury strategy, it could trigger a massive short squeeze, driving both GameStop's stock and Bitcoin's price higher. As Peruvian Bull put it, if they buy Bitcoin and the price goes up 100% in 2 days, shorts will be forced to cover, creating an unstoppable cycle. GameStop and Bitcoin. The ultimate meme stock meets the ultimate hard money. Could this be the breakout moment? Well, that's a wrap on this week's top Bitcoin news stories. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edge 21 for your weekly Bitcoin fix. Bitcoin moves fast, so stay ahead of the game with us at edge21.co. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and hodl on.